First snow of the year. Yay! We got the fire going outside. But I was out too much today already. Riku! I can hear the roosters. You ready, Ting? King? Oh, he's very ready. Okay. This is the first snow. Here it is, morning. Well, let's see what all the animals think. What you think, Jolie? They don't even care how cold it is. They're already in the creek. You guys are crazy. Like polar bears. What you think, big man? Just want breakfast, huh? Let's go in the barn. Come here. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Did you get all snuggled last night? Hi, Miss Lily. Miss Lily snuggled. Pretty. Oh, sorry. I somehow always seem to get something like that on video.